All right, I'm back with another Home Depot and Lowe's tool deals of the day. It is today only on June 28th, 2026. So if you're watching this video after that date, unfortunately, these deals are no longer in effect. And I will put one link to each of the sites for the daily deals page for both Lowe's and Home Depot. They are affiliate links. And if you use the link, I will get credit for any sales that you make on them, and it does help support the channel, and it won't cost you any more money, and I really do appreciate that support. It does help. All right, so now I'll get started on the Lowe's deals. So first up, you go to the deals page. They do have a deal on the Craftsman. It's a 12.25-inch 15 amp planer on sale for $249. Their normal price is $379. But something to keep in mind, though, even though it is saving 34%, is take a look at the reviews. It's only 4-star rated. I looked up the complaints about it, and it's good for basically softwoods, and it does have, I guess, difficulty with hardwoods, and also depends on how much you would use it. So it might be worth an upgrade to a different brand planer, unless it's something you only use on rare occasions, really. But be sure to check out the reviews before you make that purchase. All right, they do have a Metabo nailer deal on the HPT on the 1.75-inch 15-degree coil roofing nailer. That's $369. It was $499. That is saving 26% on that one. And they do have deals on the different Craftsman bits, as well as drill bit guides for looks like a door, as well as saw blade. But I wanted to cover this one deal over here, or a couple deals on the Cobalt batteries. So the first one, they're saving 62% on a 2-pack of 4 amp hour batteries and the charger. That's an excellent deal there for $59. It was $159, so it is saving $100 on that pack. Now here's a really good deal. It's saving 50% off on the 4 amp hour battery, so it's $49 for the 4 amp hour. Well, I had clicked on this earlier, and this is what you get for free when you pay $49 for this battery, is a 2 amp hour battery and charger. So they're throwing that in as a buy one, get one. That's going to be an excellent deal on the Cobalt. So if you're in the Cobalt platform, that might be worth the pickup for the 4 amp hour ultimate output battery. Then you get the additional 2 amp hour and charger for only $49. So that is an excellent deal there for Cobalt. All right, next up is a deal from the DeWalt. It's the Extreme 12-volt 3/8 brushless cordless drill. And it has 2 batteries and the charger for only $79. It was $169. So if you're in the DeWalt 12-volt platform, that might be a great pickup there for only $79, especially including the 2 batteries. And here's another good deal from DeWalt. It's on the 12-inch 15-amp dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. They have this on sale today for $349. The normal price is $629. It is saving 44% on that one. And if you saw my Lowe's video from yesterday, they do have a deal price on this saw for $399. So today you can save an extra $50 on that saw. That's a good deal. That's the one I have. And the next deal they have is on the Craftsman hedge trimmer. It's a 20-volt one. It's a 22-inch in size, and that's $89. That is saving 36% on that one. It's normally priced at $139. And those are basically the tool deals that they have for this one at Lowe's. So I just wanted to cover them real quick, but be sure for any of these categories where they have a shop all button, they might have more options available as well. I think these are cheap bit sets. So if you're looking for a cheap bit set, might be worth the pickup for those savings, but they're not going to be impact rated, just so you're aware. And again, I'll have a link down in the description for both Lowe's and Home Depot, and it'll be in a pinned comment as well. All right, now let's get into the Home Depot deals today. And they did bring on some new ones today and some repeat ones, so I'll kind of skip over the repeats unless they're better deals today. For example, this one's going to be a better deal on the 2 Forge 6 amp hour batteries. They have that priced at $268. That's saving $167. 38% off. The deals they had earlier this week was like just over $300. So it's a better deal here today. And they do have a good deal on the one-handed recip saw with the 5 amp hour battery and charger this time for $184. That's saving $145. That's 44% off. That is a good deal on that one. And here's a great deal on the Milwaukee M18. It's on the pack out radio and the Sawzall. And it's a super Sawzall one, and it's orbital. So it's an excellent deal at $348. That is saving $300. That's 46% off. The radio by itself right now is priced at $320. So essentially, for another $28, you're getting that recip saw. That's an excellent deal. And they did bring on a deal from the Milwaukee M18 line for the 9-tool combo kit. I would recommend skipping this set because it is brushed tools. It is $649. It's saving supposedly $550. It's definitely not worth the $1,200 price tag they say it is. But if you're looking for a Milwaukee kit, I would recommend going right to the brushless if you can. And they have the deal again on the 2 DeWalt batteries. I'll just mention it again here because it is a great deal at $80. the 5 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery and the 4 amp charger for that, and you are saving 118. That's 60% off. And they did bring on a deal on the dual bevel sliding compound miter saw today, but that's $399. And don't get me wrong, it is a good deal. But obviously go over to Lowe's and save an extra $50 today on that same saw. The next up, I don't think is a deal because they don't say you're saving anything, and it's on that DeWalt topper swage tool at $600. So again, I don't think you're saving anything on that one. And I'll mention this deal again on the DeWalt Atomic series on the 1/2-inch hammer drill with the 3 amp battery for only $89, saving 100. That's 53% off. That's another good deal on that drill. I definitely would recommend picking that up if you're looking for a drill and being hammer drill. It's an excellent deal. And they brought back a deal on the one and done kit by Ryobi. It's the 12 tool combo kit. And today is a better price. They have that priced at $499. That's saving $330. 40% off. In the previous days, this last week, they had it priced at $599. So it was definitely a good deal here today at $499. All right, next up is the Ryobi 18-volt 1/2-inch drill driver and oscillating tool. These are the brushless models for $149. It does include 2 batteries, the charger, and the bag. It's saving $119. That's 44% off. The next Ryobi deal is going to be on the 4-tool combo kit with the circular saw, the light, drill driver, and impact driver for $249. It's saving $149, 37% off. And I believe those are going to be brush tools, just so you're aware. And the next deal is going to be on the 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries and charger for $129 from Ryobi. And that's saving $143.97. That's 53% off on that one. And they brought back a better deal this time on the Rocket Light and Pack Out Light for $162. That's saving $177. 52% off. It's an excellent deal for the two. The Rocket Light by itself is more expensive than the 162. Next deal is going to be on the M12 stapler and oscillating tool for $124, saving $134, 52% off. That's another excellent deal. The stapler by itself is around $120, $130 by itself. That is going to be the brushed model of the oscillating multi-tool though. But don't get me wrong, 52% off. That's an excellent deal on that. And they have the M12 of the oscillating tool with a 2 amp hour battery for $94, saving $83. That's 47% off. And here is a good deal on the M12 on the high output 5 amp hour batteries for 2 of them, $136. That's saving $113. That's 45% off. The battery by itself is $129 in the stores. Some of them have the deal at the store for $99 each right now. But without a doubt, 2 of those batteries for $136 is an excellent deal. And here's another great deal for the M12 Pack Out Light with a 5 amp hour high output battery for the $129, saving $120, 48% off. So again, the battery is priced at that amount normally by itself. So it's an excellent deal with that Pack Out Light. And they brought on a deal on the 1-inch impact wrench for $434, saving $465, 52% off on that one. And then for $509 is the M18 of the 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries and 2 of the 6 high output batteries with that multi-bay charger for $509. That's saving $390, 43% off. And they repeated this deal on the Ryobi one for $319 on that 6-tool kit. It looks like they repeated this deal that they have up above too from Ryobi. All right, so next up is going to be 4-pack of batteries. It's going to be 2 4 amp hour and 2 2 amp hour ones for $169, saving $209, 55% off today. And they have the deal again on the 2-pack of the clamp speakers for $55. Also brought back the deal on the rigid lights, and they brought back the deal on the rigid 10-tool combo kit for $529. Saving 34%. And they have a deal on the rigid 1-inch SDS Plus rotary hammer with a 4 amp hour battery and charger for $219, saving $209, 49% off. And also from Rigid, they have the 18-volt 18-gauge 2 1/8 inch brad nailer with the D-handle jigsaw for $279. That's saving $119 on that one. And that's 30% off. And here's a deal I'd recommend passing on the Ryobi high torque impact wrench with 2 4 amp hour batteries, charger, and a bag for the 202. They say it's saving $245, but currently the Ryobi days is still in effect for $200. They're going to be getting 2 of the 4 amp hour batteries and 1 2 amp hour one, and you have the option of this high torque impact wrench to get for free. So why not go for that deal? All right, they do have some outdoor power equipment deals. I'm just going to mention a couple of them. They did bring back a deal on the M18 string trimmer with a quick lock system, and they had that paired with that pole saw and the Forge battery, which is an 8 amp hour one, and the charger, which is a rapid charger for the $329. It is saving $220. That's 40% off. It's a good deal. It's a deal that they had earlier this spring, so they brought it back here today. So in case you missed that deal earlier, it's definitely a good deal. And they have a few different Ryobi options as well as riding lawnmowers. And they also brought back the same deal for that Milwaukee string trimmer with edger attachment with that one for the same price of $329. Obviously, it's going to be better value to go with the pole saw one because of the pole saw by itself, I think, is around $189 versus the edger is around $129. So the value you're getting for free, or essentially, is going to be better for that pole saw. Of course, if you have a need for that. And they do have other Milwaukee outdoor power equipment deals. They seem rather expensive for what you're getting on these tools. So I'm just going to skip ahead. And on the DeWalt saw, you're only saving 22% for the 20-inch flex volt 60-volt one. And here's decent savings on the Milwaukee trimmer again, but they have that with the pole saw and hedge trimmer for the $539, saving $290, 35% off. It is a decent deal on that one for all those. Right now, we'll get into some hand tools. And I'm going to skip over the ones that they've recently had, but this is a good deal on the 1/4-inch drive 50-piece set of the Milwaukee SAE and metric sockets for $90. It is saving $50. That's 36% off. And then they have the 1/2-inch drive set. It's a 47-piece set for $180. That's saving $110. That's 38% off. This one I think is a decent deal on the Milwaukee 6-inch and 10-inch straight jaw pliers set with the 6-inch and 10-inch adjustable wrench set. So 4 pieces total there for $40. It is saving $20 on it. It's 33% off. I think during the holiday time, they had the straight jaw pliers as one of the things you can get for the $20 deal. And I think those adjustable wrenches were like priced at $25. So this is a good deal here today. This is the first time I've seen this on the daily deal. It's on the Milwaukee 13-inch straight long needle nose pliers with slip resistant grip. They do offer the limited lifetime warranty on them. That's priced at $30. That is saving $10, and that's 25% off. And you can also save 25% on the 12-inch hacksaw with the 10-inch hacksaw as well for $30. Also saving $10. That's 25% off. Then they have a deal on the lineman's hammer. It's a 32-ounce 4-in-1 for $55. That is saving $18. That's 25% off. And here's a couple items that I should look into myself here being in Florida. So they have the Milwaukee Cooling PVA towel. It's 10-pack of them for $60. That's saving $33. That's 35% off. Then they have the Cooling Microfiber Towel, a 10-pack of them for $80, saving $33. That's 29% off. I believe you dunk these in water to help cool you down during the day, put around your neck. Next up is a deal on the Stiletto hammer. It's a 14-ounce titanium milled face hammer with the 18-inch curved hickory handle for $75. That's saving $39.66. That's 35% off. Then they have a deal on the 1/2-inch metric set of the Shockwave impact socket set. It's a 29-piece set for $169. That's saving almost $76, 31% off. But wait, there's going to be a better deal for a 3/8 one. I'm going to skip over the whole dozer set. They brought that deal back again. So I want to mention this deal again on the DeWalt XR 3.5 amp hour power stack batteries for $112. Saving 63%. That's $187 in savings. It's an excellent deal. And also the deal from Rigid on the 2 amp hour battery and charger for $34. It's another good deal. And they have the Milwaukee M18 on the 6 amp hour high output battery for $129, saving $70. 35% off. Of course, if you're in the market for a tool and another battery, you can get the $299 kit, which would have 2 of those batteries, the charger, and you get an option of a free tool. They're still doing that deal until the middle of July. All right, next up is a great deal on the Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty 3/8 drive of the metric and SAE socket set, and they're impact rated. It's a 36-piece set with that Milwaukee pack-out case. It's only $89. That's saving $136, and that's 60% off. This is the lowest I've ever seen this one. The deals that they had previously were priced at like $118. So basically, you're saving an extra $30 here today. It's an excellent deal on that set. And the same thing goes for the deal on the oscillating blades. I've covered that previously. It's still a good deal at $27, and still a good deal on the whole dozer set, 17-piece set for $60. And again, a good deal on the multi-blade set. So if you missed out previously on those other days that they've had those sets of blades, then definitely these are worth a pickup for sure. All right, they have a deal on the Milwaukee. It's on the step drill bit set. It's a 3-piece set for $40, saving $35. 47% off. Another good deal. And they even brought on a cheaper deal on the Ryobi Ultimate Drilling Set. It's a 14-piece set, step drill bits, regular bits with the hex shank to them, as well as spade bits with that case for only $8.20. That's saving $6.68, 45% off. They just keep lowering it even more. It's an excellent deal. Then they have a deal from Ryobi on the oscillating multi-blade set. It's a 40-piece set. Of course, they're throwing in a bunch of sanding paper with that, but it is only 35 bucks, saving 55, 61% off. And here's another good deal from this time on Diablo. It's the 1.25 amped Demo Demon Universal Fit with oscillating blades. So 2 of them for only $10.82, saving 9 bucks. 46% off. I've used these blades also, and they're excellent. The one thing I have a complaint about it is that it is rather long on the blade, just because of that universal fit system that they have on those. And they brought back a deal again on the rigid 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery and charger for 72 bucks, saving 77, 52% off. Another good deal on that battery kit again. And wow, they brought on a deal from Makita. So they have the 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries and charger for 119, saving 80 bucks, 40% off. That is a good deal on it. I think during the holiday time, I can't remember if it was either the 4 amp hour batteries that it came with or 5 amp hour. I'm not sure, but that was going to be the 199 where you get a free tool during the holidays time, just so you're aware of that one. And they brought back the Bulldozer again. And here again, I want to mention this deal that they have on the 5 amp hour and 1.7 amp hour power stack batteries with the 4 amp charger for 134 bucks, saving 185. That's 58% off. That is a good deal on it. And I'll be releasing a Home Depot video later today where they have it in the store on clearance for 160. So definitely better deal here today. And that's going to be it for the daily deals for today only. It is Sunday, June 28th. 2026. If you did get any value from this video, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I will have links down in the description below as well as pinned comment. And I really do appreciate you using my links. It does help out. And I hope you guys have a good rest of the weekend and a week ahead, and I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.